President Trump has once again shaken the world stage with a bold move on international trade. He announced new tariffs on goods imported from Canada and China. These tariffs, effective immediately, represent a significant escalation in the ongoing trade disputes between the United States and its major trading partners. The move has sent shockwaves through global markets and sparked concerns about a potential trade war. The tariffs target a broad range of products from automobiles to electronics. They are designed to protect American industries and jobs from what the administration perceives as unfair competition. However, critics argue that these tariffs will ultimately hurt American consumers by raising prices and disrupting supply chains. The decision to impose tariffs marks a departure from decades of free trade policies that have shaped the global economy. It reflects a growing sentiment of protectionism in the United States and elsewhere, as countries grapple with the challenges of globalization and technological change. The immediate impact of the tariffs is likely to be felt most acutely by businesses and consumers in the affected countries. However, the long-term consequences of this policy shift remain to be seen. One thing is certain: the global trading order has been fundamentally altered. News of the tariffs sent shockwaves through Wall Street, triggering a wave of selling that sent stock prices tumbling. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, a key benchmark of American stock market performance, plunged nearly 600 points at the opening bell, reflecting the depth of investor anxiety. While the market recovered somewhat by the end of the day, the initial reaction underscored the high stakes involved. The uncertainty surrounding the tariffs has made it difficult for investors to assess the potential impact on corporate profits and economic growth. Some sectors, such as manufacturing and agriculture, are expected to benefit from the tariffs, while others, such as retail and technology, could suffer. Adding to the market volatility is the specter of retaliation from China and Canada. Both countries have vowed to respond with tariffs of their own, raising the possibility of a tit-for-tat trade war that could spiral out of control. Such a scenario would have significant implications for the global economy, potentially leading to slower growth, higher inflation, and job losses. The cryptocurrency market, known for its wild swings, also reacted to the news. Bitcoin, the most popular digital currency, initially fell but then rebounded, highlighting the unpredictable nature of these assets. It seems that even in the world of digital finance, the specter of trade wars casts a long shadow. The impact of the tariffs extends far beyond Wall Street. Across the globe, businesses and governments brace for the fallout from escalating trade disputes. European and Asian markets have reacted negatively, with stock indexes falling sharply. The tariffs inject fresh uncertainty into an already fragile global economic outlook. The International Monetary Fund warns of headwinds from trade tensions and geopolitical risks. The tariffs could derail the fragile recovery since the global financial crisis. Canada, a close ally, has expressed deep disappointment and vowed to retaliate. The dispute threatens to disrupt the deeply integrated North American economy. China has pledged a firm response, accusing the U.S. of protectionism. The escalating trade tensions pose a significant threat to global stability. The imposition of tariffs has ignited a fierce debate about the future of global trade. Supporters argue tariffs protect American jobs and industries. They claim free trade has hollowed out American manufacturing. Opponents say tariffs raise prices, disrupt supply chains, and trigger retaliation. They argue tariffs harm the economy and lead to job losses. The Trump administration faces a delicate balancing act. The president uses tariffs to secure favorable trade deals, but this approach risks provoking a damaging trade war. The outcome of this high-stakes game remains uncertain. The future of the global trading system hangs in the balance.